Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can premiere a video on Facebook. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go to any browser you want and simply go to facebook.com. And once you have done that, I hope you have signed up and logged in into your Facebook account, but if you haven't already done that, go watch my previous videos. I've already made videos on that. And finally, once you have done that, you want to go to your pages on the right side, and that is how you can premiere a video. So once I'm going to click on my page, as you can see, I'm going to be on this page right over here, where down here I can simply select a video that I want to post from my files. So I'm just going to go ahead into videos and post a random video. Let's just go for that. And as you can see, once you have done that, it will basically ask you to go ahead and enter your title, and then you can describe it. You can add games if you are adding a game videos, or you can add tags if you want. And all you have to do is, after you have done that, click on next, and then right over here, as you can see, in order to publish your post, there is also a premiere button, as you can see right over here, where all you have to do is select the date and time, as you can see, that you want to premiere your video on. You can also add a custom thumbnail from anywhere you want, or by making one yourself. And after that, you have to click on publish, and then your video should be done. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.